Hello everyone, hope you're well. I am here today to film a try on haul for you guys, and I know it's been a long time since I've sat and filmed a haul video, so I am really excited to get back on and show you guys what's new in the shops. I have not tried any of these things on yet. I hope you guys are happy with the filming setup today. I'm trying something new basically. I never really film in my bedroom, but I'm probably going to be keeping it here if you guys are happy from now on, because I'm filming in front of a window. I have natural light in this room. I don't need my lights. Hopefully film way more and make more videos for you guys, just because the filming setup will be so much easier. Also, some of you OG followers might see some changes in Casa Barbara. I have now made this more into a proper bedroom vibe. I have my wardrobes in my room now. These guys were something else to put in this room, let me tell you now. It's not that much of a change, but it's a bit of a change. So also, if anyone is interested, I will leave the link to it down below. I'm selling my gorgeous pink chaise lounge, and I have popped it on Depop, but I would rather private sell it, to be honest. So if you're interested, let me know down below and I will leave the link in the down bar, but it's London collection only. Thank you also for all of your support on the not so nice news that I shared on Instagram. Those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, thank you, and if you don't, I will leave my handle here, but I don't really want to talk about it because it's still a little bit raw. I am now going to be showing you guys the H&M stuff first, and then I'll do Zara because I think I have a little bit less Zara and a little bit more H&M. So I've got my scissors here. I'm not going to lift up the package. I mean, you can hear me cutting. There's some really cute stuff in here that I'm really excited to try. First is this, and I love this color. This is like one of my favorite colors. You can probably see I love a mauvey pink moment, and I thought this would be perfect for uni, also for just like weekend lounging. Oh, it's very thick. I did not expect it to be this thick. It's this gorgeous, I love these from H&M, cardigan. It's looking way more orange in the camera. It's definitely more like a pinky mauve color, but oh my god, this is so lovely. This is exactly the kind of knit that I like. As with H&M, these don't show the prices, but I will have everything linked down below, and I got this in a size medium. And then I got this I was super excited about. This was slightly more expensive, but again, I feel like for knitwear I would spend a little bit more money on it. I'm just doing the scratch test. When I was little, and also this is gonna put, I'm not so sure about this, if this is gonna put fuzzies everywhere, it's just gonna go in my contact lenses. But when I was little, living in Italy, my mum used to always basically, I'm sitting in front of my window, and I live on a main road, and I just feel like everyone is gonna stop and stare at what is this girl doing, filming. When I was little, I used to find jumpers really scratchy, and I never used to let my mum put me in any. This might be the same. Oh, it's a little bit scratchy, but I will try and link some similar ones to this down below, because my favorite jumper from Mango is very similar to this, and it's not as scratchy. I think it's just because it's a very high wool blend jumper. But I got it in a size medium. I think it's slightly too big. Maybe on first hand, I don't think I'm into this. Always, I will try and link similar things down below. I know you guys love it when I do stuff like that. Then, this is really cool. This feels nicer. I got this cardigan. I will not be keeping both if I like them. Look at this color. I think they do this in more muted color, but I thought this was lovely. I don't know, is it just me, or am I just the only person who's really excited for spring? But it's a orange. Again, I think it's showing up a bit more neon in the camera, but it's a very pretty muted orange cardigan. I hope that when I try these things on, it will come up better. Again, this is wool blend, but it's not kind of bringing up those fuzzies that I hate. But yeah, I just thought this was a really fun color, with white Converses and jeans on the weekend, or even for uni if I want to have a bit more of a brighter day. I have a homeware item. Also, my straight hair is so throwing me off. I just honestly could not be bothered to straighten my hair, to wave my hair today rather. I got this to go either. Guys, do you say either or either, or is there a wrong way? I have this discussion all the time. I got this to either go into my bathroom or sit somewhere here, maybe on my desk now called dressing table. And I loved this candle. It says C'est la vie on it. and I wanted to incorporate a bit of black like writing into this room. But I really like this. I might put this in my bathroom. Let's smell you. Oh, and the inside is pink. Oh, it's nice. It's very fresh. Yeah, that's a bathroom scent, I feel like. So there it is. It's nice and pink. And it just says C'est la vie on it. Super cute. Oh, this is a leather overshirt. I got one from Topshop and I think I returned it because I didn't like the look of it. Oh, this is much nicer. So this is a faux leather overshirt. I really want to get onto this trend, but I haven't found one that doesn't smell funny. This doesn't, and also looks a bit more expensive. I'm sure lots of you guys have these now, but this was very, very reasonably priced. I think this was £30, which I don't think is actually a lot in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, I thought this would look really cool with jeans. Again, very cool worn casual or a little bit more dressed up. And there's a lot of nice events coming up soon. There's Valentine's Day, it's my birthday soon. Oh, also, some of you guys are going to be like, oh my god, Barbs, I'm going to see The Prince of Egypt in theatre very, very soon at the end of Feb, and I'm so excited. The Prince of Egypt is one of my favourite cartoons like ever, and the whole story, like the whole Prince of Egypt, you know, that whole like Bible story is one of my favourites, and I'm so excited. If any of you guys have already seen it, because it is out already in theatres, I believe, let me know how it was, because I am so excited, and I can't wait to see it. This was a splurge item. I saw this on the ladies at Sheer Luxe. I'm sure you guys know, I've talked about Sheer Luxe before. They're an online magazine. They do podcasts, they do YouTube behind the scene videos of like them working at the magazine. If you're into fashion and like, you know, you've always dreamed like I have of working in a magazine, but you're just not cool enough, and also you just never went in that path, it's just really cool to see like behind the scenes of a magazine. But Georgie, who is the founder, was wearing this, I think, as like a shirt, and it's just the wool blend jacket. This feels very, very, very nice and luxe. It's so strange how like some of their wool feels scratchier than other, like you'd think they would try and keep to the same kind of fabric, especially when they see that it's not scratchy. But I'm in love with this color. Again, this is a really cool like Trini from Trini London, like always, what does she call it? A jacote, like a jacket coat. This is like a jacote, but in a like military style jacket vibe. I don't know what you call these, but yeah, I really feel like I need more jacotes in my life. There's people walking, it's so cringy. Also, let me know in the comments if the brightness on this video is too high. I think it might be. See, like now that looks better, but I am still gonna have to play around with the setup, guys, so just bear with me on this video. Okay, I got a set from Zara, and it's this divine, it's more like a cream, yeah, it's cream, it's not white, suit jacket. But I loved, look at the stitching, you guys, can you see it? I loved the stitching on this. I love the lapels. It's got some shoulder pad action going on here that I can feel, and it does come with a matching item, so I'm just going to show it to you. So these are the trousers. They are very nice quality, and I like the fact that they're kind of a little bit tapered. They're not super straight or anything, but we shall see if this actually fits me. And the trousers were $49. This next piece I've wanted for a while, and it's just a very, very wide belt from Zara. I have a lot of dresses and also like shirt dresses and things like that I was also contemplating on wearing, and I just loved the thickness of this. And let me just put it on. There you go. Just a very simple, but I feel like you can do so much with this, and it was $19.99. Then I got this blouse because, again, I really liked this, and I thought now that I'm kind of going back to having to dress semi-smart, I thought this would be really good for when I'm working at the doctor's office, but it was quite expensive. I mean, you could also wear this out. Like, I would also wear this with like black coated leather trousers, and it's this beautiful like burgundy silky shirt. It is actually silk, to be fair, so that's actually not expensive for a silk shirt. It's gorgeous. I love this color on me. I think it's a really flattering color, again, on a lot of people. So this is the kind of thing in your wardrobe that if you are working corporate or whatever, you can so dress this down or dress this up and be made into day and night. Perfect. Very, very different from that. I got this more as a like chilling top, or like, you know, running to the shops or whatever, because I feel like I don't have tops like that. I saw this on Zara and it's just a stripy long sleeve top. Again, I could so wear this for uni. And I also like layering stuff like this with jumpers, especially now that it's still a little bit cold, and you probably can't get away with wearing this just on its own. But you know, when it gets more to springtime with like a little jacket, it will be perfect. And I think this was really, really inexpensive. This is $12.99. This reminds me of old school barbs. It actually reminds me of uni barbs, funnily enough. I feel like this is new barbs and that's like old barbs. Funny that. I really wanted this. I've had something like this from Zara before, and oh my god, this has exceeded my expectations because I was so worried about the material. I really like this. This is a knitted bodysuit from Zara. I will link some more of these down below because so many shops do things like this. You don't have to get this from Zara, but it is gorgeous. I love the material. I did get this in a size large because I really don't want this to be like super tight or anything, especially around my bust. But we will see. I might have to get it in a medium because it does feel a little bit big. And to be fair, I thought this was going to be more of a knit material, but it's a really nice stretchy fabric and I really like this. If you guys watched my last vlog video that I filmed ages ago, I filmed that at the beginning of January. Tried on a, no wonder I was such a mess even then. I tried on this leather look blazer in Zara, but and I went to Westfield and like kind of tried to vlog for you guys, but the whole vlog thing cut off short because I forgot my purse. But I tried on a leather blazer there and it was from the TRF section and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna go home and order this. Like, I really, really love it. But then Zara normal section brought out their own version and this one feels so much better. So if you got that one, I'm sorry, but I think this one looks a little bit more like, it is faux leather, but it looks a bit more real leather. So let's try this on. Oh yeah, this is so much better. The camera's gonna go all weird. I'm sorry guys, I definitely have to change the settings on this camera. I can tell it's gone a little bit funny in this video, but oh my god, I love this. This is like my new, oh, it's got a pocket. Ah! And just so you guys know, I think it was $69.99. Definitely not cheap. I then also bought some jeans. These are just the mum jeans from Zara. And sadly, actually I think it was like in the summer, these ripped in the crotch and I never kind of bought them again, just because I kind of forgot about them. But I really miss having a pair of good mum jeans, and I really want to wear them with my Comme des Garçons Converses. So if you're looking for a pair of mum jeans, these ones from Zara are literally only $25.99, which is crazy. So that's it guys. Definitely let me know down below what your favorite item in this video was. Oh my god, people are like walking past. It's really crazy. Let me know what you guys think of the filming setup. Do you like it? Hopefully once I've changed the lighting. Like this right now works. I so badly need a new phone cover. This is what happens when you leave pen in your bag. So yeah, let me know if you guys are happy with this setup, and I will hopefully definitely film a bit more. I feel like this is very OG YouTube because every like OG YouTuber used to film in their bedroom and then I just kind of stopped. It's been a challenging couple of months. I've had a lot of changes happen kind of in a really short time, and I think sometimes your brain can't really process it. And yeah, although like it's been hard, I honestly want to thank you all for your support, all of you who messaged me and everything. Like, thank you so much. And as I said, it's you guys who keep having me come back. So I love you a lot. I'm actually going to be coming back with, I am filming back to back today. I'm coming and filming what's in my bag, uni edition for you all. Take care. I love you a lot. Let me know what your favorite item was down below and I'll see you all soon.